don't believe it. I'm actually full. Oop.
Look, it'll tickle Meatball, too.
My stick didn't tickle you, did it?
No, it's making me burp.
Huh?
What an appetite, Meatball. You know how to make Granny happy. Oh, kitties, sounds like thunder. It's time.
Come on, Meatball. It's your turn.
Sorry. That's the roar of a brontosaurus who ate too much. Okay, I'll just drink this super-duper crazy triple carbonated orange soda.